So, something interesting happened. I was at the 7-Eleven that I frequent, and some old series of Ultraman Blokees Galaxy version popped up. So, O1 and O4. There was only a couple of each, so it's not an entire case or something, so I picked up two. I already opened two of them. So, this one I got fairly last. Hello, lucky. Just will jump straight in. Otherwise, I might mix up all the different parts. Hey, flat stand. Love the flat stands. Too bad it's not tall enough, in my opinion. Did you hear a cat meowing? Yes, I can. I'm not sure about where you guys are watching this from, States, so I know Philippines is quite active. I'm not sure about Vietnam and things, so I'm wondering if you still are old series like this still common in your area. Over here in Singapore, I think they phase out pretty fast, and we have different retailers that they don't carry the full range. Like not even Toys R Us carries the full range. So they might have like Toys R Us have Sensei the bigger ones, but they don't have the black box ones. So basically only currently there's only like a couple of convenience store, supermarket carries. I mean, still have leftover stocks of the Sensei. Transformers ones are Transformers is everywhere. Marvel, mostly everywhere. So Ultraman is not really. The non-blind box type Sesame Streets and stuff, they are starting to get more common. So are the Pokemon ones. Actually, like this build is actually quite straightforward build. I actually prepared a couple of the Ultramans that I have for comparison. So I'm going to use these hands. Oh, got a forearm now. Size. It's not that menacing. I'm still on the lookout for the Shining version Volume 7 Emperor. Where the other? That's the one that I really want. That's nowhere to be found. I see some of them. 47, but pretty sure the chase is the Emperor Belia is no longer there. So this next. So these are from the newer series. What shall we do next? Let's just open this one out. I'm not sure what's inside this one. I'm pretty sure it won't be enough to get the picture. Well, there's always some variation with Blokees between like the China releases and international version. Because in China it comes with a collector's card for these as well, but not here. So is Tiga power type. Let's build it. So tempo is kind of weird. At first glance, I thought it's quite low quality, but it's actually it's because of the gloss and the mismatching color on the knee joint. I think there's just too much dot matrix on the tempo for my liking. But it's too small to, I guess, to really make a difference. Start pulling things apart again. So, it's gonna fit. Okay. I think the series has kind of deviated quite a bit between series 1 up to this is what, 11 or 12. It's not something that I'll be backtracking to complete. It's just interesting to see something that's I don't see as much as the Transformers from there. So for the 04, I did open up the package, but I don't think that it's probably one of the aliens. Yeah, because I felt it through the packaging. So I didn't proceed with opening it much earlier on. building logics again remains pretty similar. These were prefab from the factory, and there's quite a noticeable gap right on the crotch area. Oh, so there's no ball joints for the feet, so they only rotate in and out, so there's no ankle articulation. It's just the round rotation. So yes, this is the first part of the tail, followed by the second, third, final joint. Wow, I didn't expect that. You can't see the tail from the portraits that they use anyway. I think the kaijus are actually much more impressive. I think they are quite low in demand on the resale market. So, I mean, if I want something, another kaiju or something, I guess I'll just pick it off our local resale sites. They should be going for under retail. I'm beginning to think I actually like kaiju more than Ultraman, but the scale is a little bit low. Definitely the Alley King can be bigger, I think. So, last box. Let's see. I'm hoping we'll actually just get this would be nice. The Zero Beyond would be nice. But there wasn't much choice. So. Whoa. Huh. Isn't that this is a secret, the chase? The royal muscle or something? God damn. Yeah, the base is the same, there's no indication of anything. Shit. I wish there was a card or something if I knew that it's a secret. I might have put it out for trade towards another secret that I want. Oh. Check this out. Jeez. Unlike the newer series, they don't reveal the figure, so I didn't research, so I mean, I saw the photos of it, so it was quite some time back. I couldn't ever recall like which series is supposed to come in. This cape, I'm supposed to put the cape on first. Let me go back to that later. So this is different from the other. From the other Ultraman, the T guys. So it has this they started bringing this belt piece over here. And I have no idea how to. Oh, there's just too many parts. So that's the base. This is the pose. Okay. Check that out. Damn. So everything is kind of translucent. Oh, so they need a ball joint for this now. So that's where they. I'm not sure which series I'm going to start evolving. I never really collected a bit. That's my first time buying Series 1. I never tried getting any Series 2 and 3. So straight up, this is Series 4. I'm just winging it. I should have just pull out a picture of this photo. The photos, but I mean, I only have one phone right now, so it's recording as we speak. So I have to say, it's growing on me, making it more as I put it together. This for the forearm of the shin. Yeah, I kind of knew it was for the shin because it was quite big. Just wanted to try. Just the one for the forearms. Protectively, just one layer. There we go. Wow, the cape's really cool. So what do you guys think? How lucky will you be for going backtracking for the older series? Or I think I always felt that shining version is the way to go, especially even for the Transformers. Currently, it's only at Series 3. The LED lights just make everything much more worth it. The improved detail, paint, application, engineering, and the Mao Astro accessories for 50% more. Yeah, shining version for regardless of Ultraman or Transformers is the way to go, in my opinion. And that will still be the main focal point of my collection. I backtrack these for fun because they just popped up here and there. Since I got into the Blokees game really late, I thought getting some legacy pieces will better help me understand how they were before and the evolution moving forward and what a collector can expect the kind of improvement they will make and the difference in quality that they've made so far. And I'll just say, really, for the Shining version, it's still my favorite. I've yet to build the action edition, but I watched multiple reviews for all of them. Looks fantastic. I just need to free out the time and to actually to free out the space to keep that. I've been trying to look for clear cases that I can store them in immediately after I build them. I just have too many things, and I don't want to store them recklessly and have the paint scratched up or put it in an open display and it get dusty and all. So I'm just going to hold on to it for a while. Yeah. So let me know if you guys are backtracking or which series you think is a much more definitive version for like Ultraman or even Transformers. For me, it's Shining version. Yeah, always Shining version. Alright guys, so lucky to pull a secret. I'm actually going to do Pokemon cards unboxing after this. I hope I get as lucky as this. Ciao!